everyone, it's Kate and welcome back to our channel. And yes, I'm back to creating video contents for you guys. It's been 2 months since my last video, and the past months have been a series of self-doubts, lazy days trying to crawl out of my bed to finish my schoolworks from my past subjects that I'm still trying to complete today. In addition to that, physical education video requirements are slowly taking away every inch of my left dignity. Also, I want to mention that I have a new mobile game that I've been playing non-stop for a month now. It's a simulation mobile game with pixel style where you can take care and upgrade your manure while helping the whole town. I really enjoy planting and harvesting, and maybe the reason why I'm happy with it is because it gives me the feeling of material possession. Yes, those are pretty much the reasons for my 2 months of inactivity. Today's video is another studio vlog featuring my packing process and some destash from a buy and sell bullet journal community from Facebook. This week, I posted an announcement that we are now open for resellers. Wholesale price are also available, and resellers have a special 5% off for each purchase. If you're interested in becoming my reseller, you can fill up the form that I linked below and make sure to read the terms and conditions before doing so. My packing process have not changed. I'm still wrapping it with onion skin paper, sealed with a sticker, and slide them into the parcel together with a cardboard to protect it from damage. These past months, I'm still working on my shop shipping out parcel twice a week. I also released a new item such as vintage and floral handbook. I've also been planning on curating other journal sets in themes of galaxy or anime, but I'm having a hard time finding affordable items to include. If you have more theme suggestions, feel free to place it in the comment section. let's open 2 parcels of the stash items I bought from the bullet journal Buy and Sell on Facebook. This Facebook group helped me to advertise my product to a wider audience and get to my target customers. Local artists who curates journal sets or sell stationery items are welcome to join and post in this group. For those artists who are looking for affordable and quality items, you can pretty much find what you're looking for here. Members can also destash their pre-loved or brand new materials. I've also done a destash where I let some of my unused materials to find their new home. This first parcel is from Delicate Art, and I really appreciate sellers who gives an A+ effort when it comes to their products packaging. Aside from protecting the items, they also make sure to present the package in a nice way. As a buyer, I ultimately enjoy unboxing these. This next parcel is from Mylika. I bought 3 of her journal kits and I'm telling you, I definitely fell in love on how it was curated. The container is even handmade. It comes with different ephemera, her original design sticker sheets, papery, and a pen. It was also neatly arranged with tiny DIY envelopes to keep the contents in a group. Here is where the video ends. Again, I'm always thankful with your endless support. I'm overwhelmed with the subscribers we've been gaining daily, even with the 2 months of hiatus. You who's watching this is one of the reasons why I keep doing and sharing what I love. Remember to always keep safe and see you in our next video.